Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Andi Ardiansyah Fachri. You can call me Ardi. I'm from Nautical Department Level 1 and I'm from AIPI Makassar.
And my name is Christoper. I'm from AIPI Makassar and my major Nautica level 1.
My wallet was like,
Oh no, what happened?
well, I was working out when someone stole it.
That's terrible. Did you lose much money?
Only $15, but I lost my credit card and my driver's license.
But I can. Have you reported to the police?
Yes, I did it this morning.
I hope you find your wallet soon.
Thanks. Oh no, what happened?
I was working out when someone stole it.
That's terrible. Did you lose much money?
Only $15, but I lost my credit card and my driver license.
What a pain. Did you report it to the police?
Yes, I did this morning. I hope you find your wallet soon. Thanks.